Welcome to Basic Python Programming. Episode 6, Python Functions, Defining and Calling. Functions are reusable blocks of code that perform specific tasks. They help organize programs into smaller parts, making code cleaner and easier to maintain. Define a function using def followed by the function name in parentheses. Call the function by writing its name with parentheses to execute the code inside it. Functions can accept parameters to receive input values. The values passed while calling them are called arguments. The return statement sends a result from a function back to the caller. After return executes, the function stops and the returned value can be used elsewhere. Functions promote reuse and make programs modular and easier to maintain. They simplify testing and debugging by isolating functionality. This diagram shows the 5 main steps of function execution from start to end. Here is an example of a function that returns the square of a number and prints the result. When this program runs, it displays the calculated square of the given number. This example defines a simple function greet which prints a welcome message when called. The output of example 1, simple function definition and call is as follows. Hello, welcome to Python. Here add underscore numbers accepts 2 parameters and prints their sum when called with arguments 10 and 20. The output of example 2, function with parameters is as follows. Sum, 30. This function multiply returns the product of 2 values which is then stored in result and printed. The output of example 3, function with return value is as follows. Product, 20. In this example, welcome calls greet inside its body, so both messages print in sequence when welcome is called. The output of example 4, function calling another function is as follows. Hello, welcome to Python functions. Here are 5 exercises for you to practice. Try writing these Python programs by yourself to strengthen your understanding. Exercise 1. Define a function named greet_user that prints a welcome message and call it multiple times. Use def greet_user and call greet_user wherever needed to see the message each time. Exercise 2. Write a function add underscore numbers that takes 2 parameters and prints their sum. Define parameters a and b. Then print a plus b inside the function and call it with 2 numeric arguments. Exercise 3. Create a function multiply underscore numbers that returns the product of 2 numbers and store the result in a variable. Use return inside the function and assign the call to a variable like result equals multiply underscore numbers. 4. 5. Exercise 4. Define a function square that accepts a number and returns its square value. Compute num asterisk num inside the function and return that value to be printed by the caller. Exercise 5. Write a function display underscore info that accepts name and age and prints them in a formatted sentence. Use parameters name and age and print using formatted strings like f, name, age. Thank you for watching episode 6. Stay tuned for the next episode in this basic Python programming series.